my dear students, I'm Roncha ma'am and welcome to my channel. So it's been quite a few days you're locked at home. Frustrated? Exhausted? You know what? This is the time when you can enrich yourself. So learn these 5 skills that I will be discussing in this video so that you have a very comfortable and tension-free future. You will need these 5 skills throughout your life. Really? What are the 5 skills? Let's get started. Well, the first thing that I'll tell you to learn is basic cooking. And no, I am not telling you to learn all those exotic dishes. You should first know how to make a perfect cup of tea. Then you learn how to make veg sandwiches. But you have to chop the cucumber and the tomatoes. So learn how to chop. But be very careful when you're chopping. Don't chop off your finger. We are going to have veg sandwiches. Okay, after that, if you have learned how to make tea and sandwiches, well, give yourself 1 week's time to learn that. And after that, if you have time, do learn how to make rice, dal and boiled potatoes. That's it. Please, please, please be very careful when you're in the kitchen. That's not the place to show your bravery or to do tricks. There should be one elder with you. Be patient, be wise, be creative when you're in the kitchen. The second skill that I will recommend you to learn, well, many of you will raise your eyebrow. Many of you will say, ma'am, what is this? Why do we need it? But trust me, you will need it in future. Learn how to sew a button. And when you are doing it, please be very careful again with the needle. You have to learn this from an elder, so do so. Whatever I told you now, the skill 1 and skill 2 obviously are for both boys and girls. We all want to be independent and confident, don't we? Number 3, do you know the monthly budget of your household? If you don't, then find it out. Take a paper and a pen, talk to your parents and 1, 2, 3, 4, make a long list of everything, all the expenses from electric bill to your school fees, tuition fees, transportation, vegetables, milkman, how much is paid, newspaper vendor, entertainment, etc., everything. This is very important. We don't give importance to this, but you should know how much is spent on what. And I know since you all are very intelligent and innovative, you find out where you can save money. Of course, you have to be realistic when you are doing this, but try to see where you can save money. And if you can save 100 rupees, come up with an idea which is really acceptable and it can be applied. And 100 rupees if you can save minimum, then give a pat on your back. And of course, do write to me in the comment section how much you planned to save. This is one skill, but this skill will teach you many skills. I'm not going to go into that and give you a big yarn on this, but do this, it will help you a lot in future. Okay, the next skill that I'll tell you will help you to get a good night's sleep, reduce your anxiety, tension, give you clarity of thought, and this is going to stay forever, permanently. Learn how to meditate and go for a beginner's course. There are many videos available. There are also many blogs, but this you can continue in future and this skill will be a blessing for you. Number 5, learn a skill which is based on a skill that you already know. What is ma'am saying? Well, go from the known to the unknown. That is what I mean to tell you. For example, maybe you learn a particular classical form of dancing or singing. Then right now, why don't you learn a very different form of dance form? Maybe a Western classical dance form or a Western dance form. You can easily learn from the net. Those who love to click pictures, you love photography, learn photo editing. Those who love computers, learn animation. So you're going from the known to unknown, and right now you must be thinking, why is this important? You know, according to the psychologists, if you do very different things, your brain will develop a lot and your brain will be working to its maximum capacity. So do go for it. What are you waiting for? Start learning one skill today itself. Start from today and learn these skills one after the other. Do write to me in the comment section which skill you decided to learn first. And once when you learn the skill, click a photo and post it on my Facebook page. You can contact me on my Facebook page and on Twitter. I'm going to put the links in the description box. So get future ready in this quarantine. Happy learning.